If you're looking for an easy, tasty, and appetizing first course, grab some sausage, a few olives, and prepare this recipe with me. In its simplicity, it's really delicious. Let's get started. So first of all, I remove the sausages from their casing. Then I chop them up with a knife. If you don't have a cutting board or a good knife, just crumble them or break them up with your hands. Okay, now I add a drizzle of oil to the pan. I add the sausage, and over high heat I let it brown. In the meantime, I chop some onion. The amount of onion is optional, add as much as you like. Then chop the onion. I chop some parsley, even though I'll need it at the end. I'm doing it now for convenience. By the way, let me remind you that my 2 cookbooks are available only on Amazon worldwide. Search for Carlo Gaiano Reset and you'll receive them in at most 2 days. Now I'm pitting and halving the olives. Then I add the onion to the sausage. I let it brown for a couple of minutes. Then, when the onion has softened, I deglaze with white wine. I let it evaporate by keeping the heat high. Then I add the olives. I lower the heat. I add a couple of ladles of boiling water. And I let it cook on low heat for about 10 minutes. Okay, now I salt the water. I put the pasta on to cook. And 1 minute before it's done cooking, I transfer it to the pan. I bring over some pasta water, which will definitely come in handy. And I let it finish cooking and absorb the flavor well in the sauce. As I was saying earlier, if needed, I'll add a little pasta water at a time. There we go. The pasta is al dente, so I turn off the heat. Don't let it dry out too much. Then I add a bit of Parmigiano or Grana cheese. I add a bit of parsley. I give it one last good stir. And I plate it. Right, let's see. Oh my goodness. In its simplicity, it's really just too good. Make it and let me know what you think in the comments below. For now, I'll say goodbye. And as usual, before I leave you, I'll take the opportunity to wish you bon appétit.